More details regarding Samsung's future flagship smartphones are coming to light as the Galaxy S25 series launch date, which is set for early next year, draws near. After a thorough examination of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design, new leaks have emerged about its color options. That the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a titanium side frame is all but confirmed, but what colors will the smartphone come in? The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to launch in 4 color options: black, blue, titanium, and green, according to famed tipster Ice Universe at Universe Ice. While black, blue, and green closely reflect the colors of the Galaxy S24, Ultra Green seems to be a new addition, and these are just the regular color options. Whether Samsung will choose a light or dark green hue is still up in the air, but a deeper hue would undoubtedly be interesting. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's glass is seen in a freshly leaked photograph that nearly perfectly captures the device's in-hand experience. Recently, new set images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra have emerged, showing off its toughened glass and 3D. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feel elegant and svelte in the palm of your hand based on the leaked glass picture. With bezels even thinner than those on Apple's iPhone 16 Pro range, the Galaxy S25 family will have a small, symmetrical bezel design, giving the S25 series a more upscale look. Compared to the S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra could be little taller and slimmer. Samsung has also improved the device's sleek design by reducing the size of the central frame on the left and right sides. The Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus are also shown in the leaked images. The Galaxy S25 is expected to make its debut as a small but powerful flagship, while the Galaxy S25 Plus will be positioned as a high-performance alternative in the range with even more amazing specs. It's crucial to remember that judging design choices simply on leaked images of third-party protectors may be deceptive and may not fully represent the final product. The non-Ultra flagships may have somewhat bigger bezels than the S25 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.